Hey there, today I'm going to guide you through how to review and delete off Facebook activity tracking data. So what you want to do is head over to the menu, scroll down and click on settings. Then you're going to go to the accounts center over here in your account. And then you're going to click on your information and permissions. When you click there, you're going to be able to see one option that says your activity off Meta Technologies. So when you tap over here, we're going to do a two-step process. First, we're going to clear the previous activity, and then we're going to disconnect it so that it doesn't track our future activity. So for doing that, we're going to scroll down and first click on the clear previous activity. It has the trash icon. And here we just tap on the account and click clear. I cannot do it because I just did it before just to try it out. And then you're going to click on the the last option. One second. My internet is playing with me. Manage future activities. And this last option lets you disconnect from future activity. So you're going to click continue. And then you're going to just tap over here and it's going to disconnect completely your account so that it stops being tracked. So if this was helpful for you, please leave me a like or a silly comment or consider subscribing. It really does help me out. See you next time.